Hi, boys and girls. So today we're doing what sound, x, what sound, x, what sound, x. How do I write x, x? And this is a hard one because there's not a lot of things that start with X, but there's a fish called an X-ray tetra or an X-ray fish. Okay, so we're going to do an X-ray fish. So go ahead and get your pencil and paper and get ready to start. We're going to curve up for his body. I'm going to curve back down, close it up. Then I'm going to come right here and give it a line. I'm going to go ahead and give him an eye. And go ahead and give him a smile. Alright, so go ahead and do that. You're doing his body. Then we're going to go back and kind of add in his head, his eye, and his smile. Then we're going to go to the top above his head and do a fin at the top. We're going to come to the bottom down here and do a tail fin. And then a fin on the bottom. Alright, and the X-ray fish, if you've ever had an X-ray taken, it takes a picture of your bones. So it can like see through your body and it takes a picture of your bones. So your bones show through. So since he's an X-ray fish, guess what shows through on him? His bones. You got it. So I'm going to come from the back and do a line up here, down, up the middle. And then I'm going to do some lines going back like this so you can see his bones. And then the next thing I'm going to do is put some lines on his fin. And some lines on his fin down here. And some lines on the back of his tail fin back here. Which I'll probably have to redo because it looks like I'm going to color over it. Alright, so since he's an X-ray fish and you can see through him, he's kind of see-through. So we're really just going to color his tail fin. So I'm going to get my orange and color his tail fin in only right here. And then I'll try to fix the lines. That might look better, actually. Alright, so what sound? X, what sound? X, what sound? X. How do I write X, X? Then I'm going to do a little bit of yellow on this part of his fin. Here, I'm going to do yellow. And then on the bottom of his fin, I'm going to do yellow right here. Then I'm going to go back to my black. And I'm going to color black in right here. And then the rest of his fin right there at the tippy top there is white. So I'm going to leave that white. And same thing here. I'm going to color the black part in the middle. And then I'm going to kind of go back and put lines on his tail there. There we go. Alright, so we have X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Alright, ready? What sound? X. What sound? X. What sound? X. How do I write X, X? Except on this one, since it's X-ray, it just has the letter X, his full name. X, and then a dash, ray. R-A-Y, X-ray. And he's actually called an X-ray tetra. So tetra, T, oops, let's read one a little bit too fast. T-E-T-R-A, X-ray tetra. But you can call them X-ray fish. Alright, boys and girls, can't wait to see your drawings. Bye-bye.